Okay, it's January the 8th. I've been working on the tiny house, trying to complete this build, and a storm hit Los Angeles. This is what it did. It took down so many of the trees and it hit the top of the tiny house. Kind of damaged my membrane roof. You can see exactly what it's done here. And so I'm cutting it out of the way. And then this is a little bit of the documentation. There's the hole. There's the impact. Talk to you soon. Okay, kind of difficult to film. I think it's about to come. Okay, so I finally got it down and just gonna assess the damage and clean it all up. Thanks for checking this out. I will be coming out with some videos soon. Bye-bye.